What if I told you you could increase your wealth by 40% in 2026? Not with shortcuts, not with risky bets, but with smart, proven strategies you can start today. Stick with me because I'm breaking down the exact steps that can reshape your financial future. Welcome back to KP Money Talks, where we simplify personal finance because money isn't just numbers. It's choices, habits, and the life you're building every day. Today, we're aiming for a bold but realistic goal, increasing your wealth by 40% in 1 year. And no, this isn't about getting rich overnight. It's about stacking the right moves consistently over a full year. Let's dive in. To reach that 40% target, we're using a simple 3-pillar framework: earn more, keep more, and grow more. Think of it like a 3-legged stool. Remove one, and the whole thing collapses. Pillar 1, earn more. Increasing your income is the fastest lever you can pull. About 70% of people who negotiate their salary get a raise. If you're earning $50,000, a 10% increase adds $5,000 a year. Then there's the strategic side hustle. Use what you're already good at: bookkeeping, writing, content creation, social media management. Most side hustles bring in $500 to $1,000 a month, and every dollar should go toward wealth building, not lifestyle upgrades. This week, message 3 people in your network. One message could turn into your first client. Pillar 2, keep more. We're skipping the latte advice and focusing on the big 3: housing, transportation, and food. Housing, refinance, negotiate your lease, or get a roommate. Transportation, shop around for insurance, refinance your car loan, carpool twice a week. Food, meal prep, cook at home, use cashback apps. These moves alone can save you $500 to $1,000 every month. Then, check your subscriptions. The average person wastes $80 a month on apps they don't use. Cancel the ones that don't matter. Pillar 3, grow more. This is where your money works for you. Automate transfers into your investment accounts, your 401k, your Roth IRA, and your index funds. At minimum, get your full employer match. Focus on low-cost ETFs like VOO and VTI. Here's the math. Start with $10,000 invested, add $1,000 each month, and earn around 10% annually. After 1 year, you're at roughly $23,600. Your $10,000 grew by more than 100%. But before investing aggressively, pay off high-interest debt. A credit card charging 20% interest is a guaranteed 20% loss. Eliminating that debt is an instant win. Now, the wealth mindset. Pay yourself first. Automate your savings so it happens without thinking. Think long-term. Before buying something, ask, will this matter a year from now? If not, invest it. Track your progress. Watching your net worth grow becomes its own motivation. Avoid lifestyle inflation. Don't spend more just because you earn more. Don't panic sell. Don't chase hype. Build an emergency fund. And avoid comparing your journey to anyone else's. Here's what this could look like for someone earning $50,000. With a starting net worth of $10,000. Extra income, $17,000. Money saved, $7,200. Debt eliminated, $5,000. Investment growth, $13,600. New net worth, $42,800. A 328% increase. Your numbers may vary, but the framework works at any income level. So there it is, your blueprint to increasing your wealth by 40% in 2026. Is it simple? No. Is it worth it? Absolutely. Your action steps for this week: calculate your net worth, schedule that salary conversation, cancel 3 unused subscriptions, set up automated investments, and share your biggest financial goal for 2026. If this video brought you value, hit like and subscribe. You don't need to be perfect. You just need to start. Now, go build that wealth.